All right, welcome back. Today, we are diving into some seriously game-changing updates from YouTube that are basically going to overhaul your entire creative process. YouTube is giving us a powerful new AI toolkit, and it's designed to help you at every single step, from that first little spark of an idea all the way to the final cut. Let's get into it. I mean, just think about this for a second. What if AI could actually be your creative partner? Not just some tool you use, but a true co-creator that helps you brainstorm ideas, generate visuals, and even grow your audience. Well, that future, it's here. That gap between having an idea and actually making it, it's about to get a whole lot smaller. So first up, let's look at what YouTube is calling its AI Creation Suite. This is a set of incredibly powerful tools designed to help you with, well, everything, from the very start of an idea all the way to the finished product. We're going to break down three main things in this suite: the newly supercharged Inspiration tab, which is designed to kill creative block, a wild new text-to-video generator called Veo, and an image editor with the best name ever, Nano. You know, the biggest shift here with the new Inspiration tab is moving from just guessing to actually making data-driven decisions. Instead of wondering what to make next, you're getting ideas that are directly based on what your own audience is already watching and asking about. And here's how it works. The Inspiration tab looks at all your channel's data and gives you a feed of 9 different ideas. These aren't random. They're based on your recent videos, questions people are asking in your comments, and even videos your audience is watching on other channels. Just so you know, this is rolling out on web browsers for English language channels for now. Okay, next up is Veo. This thing is a text-to-video generator that lets you create these short, really cool clips right inside the YouTube Create app or when you're making a short. You can just describe a scene, a character, even throw in audio cues like rainy day or forest sounds, and bam! Veo will generate an 8-second clip for you to use. And rounding out this little creative trio is Nano. This tool lets you edit the images you use in your community posts just by typing what you want. So you could upload a photo and just type a prompt like, "Make the background a starry night," and it'll do it. This is currently rolling out to users 18 and over in the US, Canada, New Zealand, and India, and it works with English prompts for now. Okay, so you've used these tools to create some awesome new content. Now what? You gotta get people to actually see it, right? That brings us to our next section, a really powerful new way YouTube is helping you expand your live audience. Let me introduce you to Dual Stream. This is such a brilliant feature. It connects your long-form live content with the massive discovery engine of the Shorts feed. It takes your standard horizontal stream and at the same time automatically creates a vertical version. You're tapping into a huge new audience without any extra work. So don't worry, you'll be running your live stream just like you always have. You know, in that familiar horizontal format for people on desktop or watching in the main app. Nothing about your setup needs to change. But, and this is the magic part, at the exact same time, the system is intelligently cropping your stream into a vertical layout. This version looks totally native to the Shorts feed, so it can pull in viewers who are just scrolling on their phones and give them an instant little window into your live broadcast. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Does this mean I have to manage 2 different chats? And the answer, thankfully, is no. It's one single unified experience. Viewers from both the horizontal stream and the vertical Shorts feed are all in the same chat. It makes managing your community totally seamless. And turning it on could not be simpler. You just head to the live control room in YouTube Studio on your desktop, go to your stream settings, find the layout option, and select Dual Stream. That is literally it. Your next stream is going to reach both audiences. Now, as your audience grows, so does the challenge of keeping your community positive, right? So let's talk about a new feature that gives you more power to really set the tone for the conversations happening on your channel. YouTube is expanding its channel guidelines. For all you creators with access to intermediate and advanced features, you can now set these rules not just for your comments, but also for your live chats and your community posts. It covers all the major places people interact. And this is really the whole idea behind it. It's about being proactive. This feature empowers you to clearly define the culture and the kinds of conversations you want to have in your community, right from the very beginning. Setting them up is super straightforward. In YouTube Studio, you just navigate to your channel settings, then community moderation, and you'll see the option for channel guidelines. And the cool part is, viewers will see these rules the very first time they go to post a comment or join a live chat on your channel, which helps get everyone on the same page. So let's kind of bring this all together. These aren't just a bunch of random updates. They really form a complete and, honestly, an incredibly powerful new toolkit that's designed to empower you as a creator. So here's your quick cheat sheet. If you're stuck with creative block, use the Inspiration tab in YouTube Studio. If you need to create content from just text, you've got Veo and Nano Banana in the Create app. Want to expand your live reach? Enable dual stream in the live control room. And for better community management, set your channel guidelines right in your channel settings. And that really brings us to the final, and I think the most important question. It's not just about what these tools can do, it's about what you are going to do with them. They're designed to get rid of friction, to spark your creativity, and to help you grow your audience. So the real question is, with this powerful new AI co-creator at your fingertips, what amazing things will you create next? Go get creating.